Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today is a fun get ready with me because these are products that were sent to me from my friend Allie, who loves these products, and she wanted me to try them for myself because I've never tried any of them, so I'm pretty excited. So let's just get right into it. The first thing is the ColourPop Good Sport Palette. Now, I haven't actually bought any ColourPop palettes for a while. I'm always buying their singles, but not all of their palettes. So she told me this was probably their best palette that she's ever tried, so I'm intrigued. She also got me some of their Jelly Much eyeshadows, some CYO foundations, the stick foundation from ColourPop, and a Profusion Basic Shadow. I've tried a bunch of the Profusion palettes, but I've never tried this palette before. Now, these palettes have similar shades in them, so I'm just gonna kind of go in and use this one. This I'll use in another video that I'll be doing. So let's just get right into Good Sport. I'm very excited, and I'm not usually disappointed with ColourPop shadows, honestly, so I won't be surprised if this is fantastic. These shadows are very much up my alley as well, so it's pretty safe to say we're going with a warm eyeshadow look today. All right, I cleaned my brushes yesterday, so we are completely good to go. All right, I'm gonna use my Kivange. This was from my Amazon brushes video. I'm gonna use this to put on, oh good, they have names, this yellow shade Trooper, because if there's a yellow shade, I'm gonna fucking use it. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Nameless brush, and I think we're gonna use, I think I'm gonna be daring and go in with this purple shade right here. I think it's called Sista. Purples are always an issue for me, so let's hope. Oh, okay. Yeah, purples are usually always like a patchy bitch for me, so I'm pretty psyched that this is not the case here. And they're actually blending together quite nicely, like it's not becoming muddy or anything. All right, now we definitely have to go in with Reckless because that's a gorgeous kind of burgundy brown shade. And I think I'm gonna use my Sigma E25. I'm gonna go back in with my ColourPop brush and I'm gonna grab that purple again, and I'm gonna reblend a little bit of that very, very lightly. Go back in with my Kivange and yellow again, and I'm gonna reblend that. All right, now I'm gonna take my other ColourPop no-name brush, and I'm gonna go into this, I guess it's like a really, it almost looks green, but I almost feel like it's fucking with my eyes. Maybe it's like a deep brown, like a neutral or cool brown. I don't know, but I'm going with that. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs shadow brush, and I'm gonna take that same color, it's Trophies, and I'm gonna pat that all over my lid. I haven't used my finger to pat color onto my lid since I bought this brush. I've never had a brush pack on color like this does. I love that color combination. It's like that sunset kind of look and then like the really deep at the bottom. So I've come to the conclusion this is just a deep neutral brown. It's not a green. I don't know where I was getting green from. All right, so as much as I really want to use like one of these shades right here, I'll use this for the inner corner. I really want to use this more than anything, but I also really want to try these, so I'm actually going to go into this green shade. I'm going to do a cut crease because I just have to. Now I used a very, very tiny amount of my concealer for my cut crease because I don't know how this is going to react on top of a concealer. Oh my god. I have a very deep instinct that is telling me to mix this, but I'm not going to. I think I'm gonna take this piece of shit BH Cosmetics number 6 weird fan brush, and I think I'm gonna use this to try to put it on. I think I'm gonna cry. I'm pretty sure I need to let this dry because I don't want to risk fucking it up, so give me a minute. Oh my god, that is incredible. And you know what? Let's go another fucking mile. We're gonna go in with, oh I'm sorry, this shade is actually called Bungalow, the green one, and we're gonna go in with Foxes, and I'm gonna put this closer to the inner corner. Not in the inner corner, but kind of close. Oh my god. Ooh, so happy. All right, let me finish the other side, cut crease, and I'll be right back. So side note, the lashes I've been just obsessed with lately are from LA Colors. I got them from Family Dollar. They came in a multi-pack. I think there was like 3, yeah. They came in a pack of 3 lashes, and I'm pretty sure they were like $6. They're like the Dramatilash or something like that. Holy shit, they're so easy to get on. They're the first pair of lashes I didn't have to cut to fit my eye shape. All right, so Allie actually also sent me 3 foundations to try. 2 from CYO. This is the long-lasting foundation, and a ColourPop no filter foundation stick. I've never tried these, but I did open it and swatch it. I picked the shade out, and it's so fucking wrong I can't even take it. I've actually emailed ColourPop about it because there's no way this shade is correct. So this is Light 67N, N meaning neutral, and this could not be more orange. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. But for foundation, I'm gonna try the CYO Long Lasting Foundation in LifeProof. So we have the shades 103 and 104. 103 looks a little deeper, oddly enough, so I'm gonna swatch them to see. All right, so 104 looks more pink and 103 looks more yellow, so I think I'm gonna go in with the 103. Oh, that's perfect. Now, this isn't one of the things that Allie loved, but she was trying it for the first time too, so we're kind of trying it together. And I think she got this like through Walgreens. That finish is so pretty. Like, it's not wet dewy, but it's definitely like luminous. More of like a medium, a light to medium, more medium, I guess it's a finish, but oh, that is beautiful. I'm always looking for a nice foundation that evens out my skin without making it look like I have tons of shit all over my face. Like, as much as I love makeup, I don't like my face to look like I have a ton of makeup on. I just want to look like I have amazing skin. All right, so let me finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back, and we'll swatch all these so you can see them like without being distracted from everything else. And we'll talk about some of this really fun stuff. So let's talk about it. This palette's beautiful, and I have to swatch a few of the metallics because I didn't get to use them. Oh my god, this fucking green I'm kind of dying over. There really wasn't a color. Even the purple, which I really wasn't expecting to look very nice, is beautiful. I also used this same to smoke out lower lash line, also worked beautifully. We're going to swatch the jelly much, like we're going to swatch all of them so we can see in effect what the fuck they look like. So first we're going to do Foxes, which is this incredible gold shade. Oh my god. So next is this kind of rose gold Short Circuit. Also gorgeous, wow. You know what's weird? I saw Elle from Dupe That do a video on these like when they first came out, and they were shit. And that's why I never tried them. All right, here's the green. Oh my god, that green. Oh my god. Ugh, I'm going to order more. Shit. Shit. Thanks, Allie. No, but seriously, thank you. This stuff is amazing. And I'm pretty in love with the foundation. It doesn't feel like I have a ton of shit on my face. In fact, it doesn't feel like I have anything at all on my face. Like, I could feel the powder I put on, but after I put the foundation on, it didn't feel heavy, like, at all. All right, you guys, so that was it. What did you think of all the stuff that I tried? Did you try any of the stuff before? Have you been interested in trying it? Let me know in the box below. I'd be interested to know what else from this brand is any good. Oh my god. And hopefully I can get a correct shade soon because, like I said, there's just no way this shade is correct. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Allie, again, thank you so much for sending me all this wonderful stuff. You're so generous. I really appreciate it. And so until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.